A new AI tool called PulsePilot reshapes daily work by turning scattered ideas into action with one effortless click. It scans notes, emails, and calendars to draft focused tasks, estimate time, and auto-schedule blocks for deep work. Users save hours weekly because repetitive planning vanishes and priorities stay crystal clear throughout the day. Small businesses can monetize it by delivering faster client deliverables, while freelancers win more billable hours with fewer idle moments. Dive in today to see how PulsePilot integrates with your apps and fuels daily momentum.